Welcome back, everybody. I apologize for having such a big delay in making videos, guys. It has just been a hectic week and a half with work, Christmas shopping, work. But yeah, guys, we're here today in the garage because of one reason, and it's that guy right there. We are showing some love and attention to the 2013 F-150, which today I learned is a 3.7 liter. This whole time I thought it was a 3.5. Ever since I bought it like 2 or 3 years ago. Yeah, can you believe that? I learned that today when I was asking for the, whoa, let me get that light in again. I learned that today when I was trying to figure out actual engine displacement, because all I knew is to get 5W20 because that's what the cap in the engine bay told me to put. So I never bothered learning any of that stuff. Plus it wasn't really my truck. But 3.7, no wonder the thing has massive throttle response, guys. That thing is quick for a reason. Anywho, today we are bringing that sucker in and doing a maintenance oil change on it because Santa Claus came through. Because, oh yeah, look at that. Oh yes, 16,000 pounds, more than what I need, but damn it, I love it. So before, guys, I used these steel ramps for maintenance on the trucks, or really any vehicle. It was the only ones I had, and these things are super old and sketchy. I think these are now legally able to vote. They're pretty old, and I'm so glad I got the new ones, because now I can trash these, because that is where they belong. Alright, you want to always make sure that the vehicle is securely planted as best on the ramps, along with your handbrake being set. Let's go ahead and get down and dirty, boys. Alright, where is the... There it is, there it is. There it is, right there. That, I believe, is our bolt that needs to be removed to access the oil. Guys, I am such an idiot. I forgot that I ordered something and I haven't even opened it or used it yet. Just hold on. Guys, I totally forgot. I ordered this creeper off of Amazon for like 20 something bucks. I think it was like $28. I totally forgot. Haven't opened it, haven't used it, and now we're about to. All right. I have no idea where the hell my knife is, so we're gonna have to improvise here a little bit. This could end well, or it could end really, whoa, really badly. I hope it's already assembled. Fingers crossed for an assembled creeper. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. That is assembled already. This thing is ready to run, boys and girls. Whoo! Guys, look at this. No more using kitchen carpets. Oh, what an upgrade. What an upgrade. Oh yes, bliss. Okay, guys, hopefully you guys can see that. Right there, alright. So, this is the bolt right here that needs to be loosened. It's a 15 millimeter, and that is pretty much it. Once you loosen that up, get your oil pan, collector thing, whatever you use ready, and 6 quarts of oil will hopefully come out, or at the very least some oil comes out. Alright, guys, had a bit of a BP oil spill over there, but not a big deal. I forgot to mention, guys, be sure to remove the oil cap, this thing right here, just to get full circulation in when you're taking out the oil. Okay, so as of now, I put in the drain plug back in, securely tightened it. Next thing we want to do is locate the oil filter, which is up here. I don't know if I can get my camera up there. There it is, right there. Now you just need to plug that out, and for its amazing design, you got a nice little river to cascade over right through here. It'll all drip down from that little, I don't know what you call that, drain ramp. I don't know. Ford designed it. You know, the manufacturer with a bunch of recalls. Scratch that, ladies and gentlemen. I thought it was supposed to drain from this little thing over here and cascade over, but I was wrong. It's actually doing it from further back there, from behind this heat shield or skid plate, whatever you want to call it, right back there. We dripping. We drippy. Yet again. Bamboozled by Ford. Alright guys, we are nearing the end process of this change as we are finishing out the remains from the oil filter section. Let's go on to the supplies here. Now we always use Ford Motorcraft 5W20 synthetic blend motor oil for the Ford. Now obviously this thing does use 6 quarts. We got a 5-quarter right there and we got a 1-quarter right here. But we cheap out on the oil filter because it still does the trick. So let's double check, make sure this oil filter is at least the same size as the OEM one that I used. And we have a winner chicken dinner. They're the same. Now before attaching the new oil filter on, you want to make sure you just rub some oil around the gasket. Just a little bit, just enough, until the oil filter is pleased. And then you put it back on. So the oil filter, the new one has been installed. Ideally you just want to hand tighten them, but I always get one of these oil filter removers and just tighten it at least a half turn. I don't know, I just do it because I like to do it. Lastly guys, you want to grab your new oil, grab a funnel, and feed your vehicle new fresh oil through the engine bay, and then you're home free. Last thing folks, is to get in your vehicle and let the vehicle run for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now would be a good time to hack into your vehicle's mainframe and restart the computer oil change bit. So you want to hit setup twice, cycle through all that. Hang on, let me get you in there. Cycle through all that. No, there you go. Now here's where you want to press reset, the reset control button on your steering wheel. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, you have reset your oil life on the vehicle computer. So we are good to go. Now let's get a first-hand look at that BP oil spilling. Oh my goodness! That's not gone well. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why is there a party cup right there? Lastly folks, once you've had your truck off the ramps, let it sit, like I said, for around 5 to 10 minutes or so, just to let that oil cycle through. And then you want to also move the truck further back or move it to a different location and check to see if there's any oil or any drops or something. If there is, then there's probably a bolt or maybe the oil filter was not properly secured. So double check that stuff if you start seeing oil drops. That is going to do it for today's video, guys. I hope you all enjoy that. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe all at the same time. F-150. New ramps, new creeper. I'm a creep. Stay tuned. We're going to finish vinyl wrapping this sucker. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Take care.